In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the verifying installation bug on Steam. Now, I had this issue recently, and the way that I fixed it was I went here. I saw that I had 2 drives, and then what I did was I deleted Steam from my second drive and just reinstalled it on my main drive. Now, this fixed the issue really quick. I just went here, apps and features, uninstalled Steam, went and downloaded it on my main drive. Now, if this does not fix your issue, what you can try is run Steam as an administrator, right click on it, properties, compatibility, and you activate these 2. Now, if that still doesn't solve it, what I saw some people do is come to your internet right here, open up network settings, change adapter options, and from in here you want to disable your internet and wait for the Steam update to say failed or go away or something. Then you activate your internet again and see if that works. Now, like I said, the first one worked for me, simply just moving it to my main drive, and I really hope it works for you as well. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.